Hey guys, Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. I'm sitting here with Steven. We're going over a deal from the vehicle exchange program, which is a new department we opened up in the service department. So talk to me about Miss Clark. What happened with that deal?
Well, she was a special case. She
Okay.
actually does Uber, so she's here all the time servicing her vehicle with her Mitsubishi Mirage.
Okay.
Now, she has a big family. The Mirage is a little small for her, but she also does Uber very often.
Okay.
So, we found a way for her to make more money, have more space with UberX, and pretty much, she's pretty much able now to double her income.
Because you upgraded to an Outlander.
Because she was able to upgrade with the vehicle exchange program and also have room for all her family.
Great. Guys, any make, any model, we can upgrade you. Come to the vehicle exchange program, our service department. We got extended hours for you guys. We service any make, any model. All right, call operators are standing by, okay? See me or Steven.